Everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with hashtag Holiday Coloring 2024, hosted by Sabrina _crafty _journeys channel. If I remember, I will link her channel in the description box below. So what you have to do is just color a page. You don't have to do, you can just do one, or you can do as many as you want. It's totally up to you. And it has to be holiday related, like fall right now, or Halloween, Thanksgiving in November, or fall, Christmas, and so forth. So, of course, I love Halloween, so I did Halloween. I actually had a few of these printed. I purchased last year from Etsy a whole bunch of, this was just one purchase from this person I bought from, of different Halloween images, and I printed them all. So you will be seeing ones that I've already colored last year and some that I just colored recently. So the first one is one I did last year, and it's, I forgot what this guy character's called, but Scott, I did another one and I framed it. If I remember, I will get that out next week, and I will show you it in a frame of the same guy. So you can see it's all done by alcohol markers. And that's what it looks like. And then I did the kitty cat. Now, I didn't want to do a black cat, because this one I did this year, because I didn't want to lose the cat. So I kind of did some browns and orange, and then the jack-o'-lanterns and fall colors in the back, and in the background with this little swirly coming thing going around. And then I just colored the green. I like doing the whole page colored. And then I did this one, which is one of the bottles you see at Halloween, and it's got some pumpkins and some foliage and leaves going around. And them are the two I did for this week. So go check out Sabrina's and see what she colored, everybody. I will talk to you later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.